Today, I want to address the issue of shadow bans and share some methods that will help you fix this problem. Shadow bans can be frustrating, but there are solutions that work, and I'm here to share those with you. Method 1. Change DNS settings, open Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Go to Network and Sharing Center. Click on your connection, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Click Properties. Use the following DNS server addresses: preferred 8.8.8.8, alternate 8.8.4.4, validate settings and close all windows. Method 2. Disable TPM and secure boot. To disable TPM, search for your motherboard's guide on turning off TPM. Alternatively, open the Run dialog, Win+R, type TPM-C, and check if it says Compatible TPM cannot be found. To disable secure boot, access your BIOS settings. Check your motherboard's guide for details. Consider performing a fresh Windows install. A guide will be linked in the description. Avoid using RGB software to reduce the risk of shadow bans. Advanced solution: Unban tools. For a more advanced and effective solution, consider using Unban software such as Unban tools. Link in the video description. This modern software leverages advanced algorithms and up-to-date methods to help recover gaming accounts affected by shadow bans. Its effectiveness lies in its ability to navigate complex game security systems, providing a higher chance of account recovery.
Yeah, nah, this nigga's cheating. Yeah, this nigga's cheating. Yeah, he's cheating. That nigga's cheating.
It doesn't matter if this Nuka is cheating. Go ahead, report him. He will simply use Unban tools and be back in the game within minutes. If you're a Call of Duty player, you might as well